no questions, but drawing it out might be a cheat code. I'm gonna try that out
Oh yeah, it
in the
is.
journal.
It is kind of a big cheat code because I mean, when you journal, you feel it. Especially when I journal these stuff, it was like emotional journal. This is why you don't see me journal every single day. But when I got a big breakthrough, I wrote these down. Like if I was mad, if I was down, if I was super angry, I'll write all these down. Like I wrote down some crazy shit that I told myself I need to actually do. If I don't do it, why would anybody like listen to me? Like how I used to see it is like if I lied to myself and I told myself I have to do something and I don't do it, my soul get destroyed. My entity is not gonna respect me. Just imagine you as a person, you have this body that you have right now. Let's just say is you. And then you have another internal you. Let's just give yourself another a blue. That blue person is inside of you. That's the person that controls your life, the subconscious mind, right? Now you know this one, right? You're telling yourself something, and this blue guy is gonna listen to you. You say something, you don't do it. You think this guy right here is gonna respect you? You think this guy right here is gonna listen to you? Hell no. It's just like a friend. It's just like you have a friend and a friend tells you something, he doesn't go through it. You're like, you look at him a little different. You're like, yo, bro, you said you won't do that and you haven't done it. They do it again. You're like, yo, bro, like this is the second time. He does it again. You're like, okay. You don't trust him anymore. So after the fourth time, when he tells you something, you already expect that he's not gonna do it, right? It's natural. So it's the same thing with yourself. If you do that with yourself, over time, this person is not gonna believe you. You're not gonna execute it. So you're just basically lying to yourself. So if you say, I'm gonna respect this rule for a long period of time and you don't do it, he loses respect. You say it again, you lose respect, you say it again, you lose respect, and you build a habit like that. You build a habit of not respecting rules. So now you have to break that all back down and then try your hardest to actually build trust with that person again.